Ever wondered what the price tag is for pure tractor muscle? Some engines cost more than a brand new pickup truck, just the engine alone. In this video, we're looking at 6 of the most expensive tractor engines ever built. Machines so powerful, so complex, and so overbuilt, they could bankrupt a small farm just to replace. And stick around, because the last engine on this list, let's just say, it redefines what overkill looks like under the hood. Caterpillar C18 Acert. If there was ever an engine built to intimidate, it's the Caterpillar C18 Acert, an 18.1-liter inline-6 diesel pumping out up to 600 horsepower. That kind of raw power doesn't come cheap. This engine alone could run over $65,000 to $80,000, depending on the configuration. And that's before labor, installation, or electronic tuning. But it's not just the price that made this engine elite. It was Tier 4 final compliant, had MUI fuel injection, and delivered torque so smooth it felt electric. Farmers running 30-foot implements across thousands of acres? This was their go-to engine, and thanks to its dry weight of nearly 3,500 pounds, it added stability to already massive machines. The C18 didn't just power tractors, it powered expectations. It told the world that Caterpillar wasn't just for bulldozers and mining trucks. It was here to dominate the high-end tractor game too. Cummins QSX-15. If you're talking about modern tractor engines that don't just cost a fortune, but earn every dollar of it, the Cummins QSX-15 deserves a spot near the top. This 15-liter inline-6 diesel is an absolute powerhouse, designed for the heaviest-duty applications on the biggest farms in North America. With output ratings that climb as high as 675 horsepower, the QSX-15 doesn't flinch when it's asked to pull 60-foot air seeders or handle the relentless stress of deep ripping in dry, tough soil. It's got electronic fuel control, variable geometry turbocharging, and advanced emissions systems that meet EPA Tier 4 final regulations without choking the engine's performance. But the reason this engine is so expensive isn't just emissions gear or high-end components. It's the fact that the QSX-15 is built with the same DNA as Cummins heavy-haul truck engines, meaning it's designed to run wide open for thousands of hours without missing a beat. It's also massive, with over 2,000 foot-pounds of torque on tap and a block built like a tank. And inside tractors like the versatile 520 and 620, this engine transforms those machines into land-moving juggernauts. For the farms running 20,000 acres or more, downtime is not an option, and that's why they'll pay top dollar for the QSX-15, not just for its size, but for its reputation. Because when you're burning through a full tank before lunch and pulling half the county behind you, you need an engine that can keep up. John Deere PowerTech, 13.5-liter. When it comes to big tractors with even bigger price tags, the John Deere PowerTech 13.5-liter engine is one of the kings of the hill. Found in John Deere's modern 9R series, tractors built for the largest farms in the world, this inline-6 beast was designed to handle everything from deep tillage to massive grain carts without breaking a sweat. We're talking 13.5 liters of displacement, twin turbochargers on many models, and horsepower figures ranging from 410 all the way up to 600, depending on the configuration. But it's not just about brute force. This engine features common rail fuel injection, advanced emission controls, and computer-optimized performance mapping that helps it meet today's Tier 4 final standards, while still delivering the grunt needed to move mountains of soil. Now, what makes this engine expensive isn't just the cost of the engine itself, it's the whole package. The PowerTech 13.5-liter is the heart of a machine that can cost $600,000 or more when fully spec'd. It's part of a system so advanced, it practically runs the farm for you. GPS guidance, real-time diagnostics, and horsepower that rivals some military vehicles. And yet, despite all the tech, this engine has proven itself in the dirt. Farmers who run 9R tractors say it's surprisingly efficient for its size, easy to maintain given the power it delivers, and built to survive the kind of punishment only multi-thousand-acre operations can deliver. Because if you're pulling a 60-foot cultivator at full throttle for 12 hours straight, you want an engine like the PowerTech 13.5-liter. Not just powerful, but battle-tested. Fendt MAN D2676. When Fendt set out to build the 1100 Vario MT series, they didn't just want a big tractor, they wanted a flagship. And at the heart of that vision was the MAN 12.4-liter inline-six diesel, the D2676. This isn't your average farm engine. It's a beast born from commercial trucking, then adapted for agriculture with precision, with output pushing 673 horsepower in the top-tier Fendt 1167 Vario MT. This engine delivers insane torque and smooth power delivery through Fendt's CVT, continuously variable transmission. That means no gears, no jerky shifts, just pure, uninterrupted pull from 0 to field speed. But all that muscle doesn't come cheap. Between the sheer size, the emissions tech, the cooling system, and the integration with Fendt's advanced electronics, this engine setup pushes the total cost of the tractor well beyond $700,000. And farmers who buy it, they know exactly what they're paying for. The D2676 isn't just powerful. It's quiet, fuel-efficient, and designed for massive field coverage with minimal stress on the engine. This engine isn't for the faint of heart. It's for the growers managing tens of thousands of acres, where every pass counts and every breakdown costs. And when you're pulling 80-foot implements at 10 miles per hour, with perfect traction and no wasted revs, the MAN engine proves why it belongs on this list. Premium power, modern brains, and a price tag to match. Deutz TCD V8. When Deutz dropped the TCD 12.0 V6 and 16.0 V8, they weren't just building engines, they were making a statement. We can play with the big boys and do it differently. These air-to-air turbocharged, water-cooled diesels weren't just massive. They were modular, smart, and surprisingly compact for their size. The V8 version, pushing up to 700 horsepower, found its way into high-end machines like the Deutz Fahr Agri series, where precision met raw muscle. But here's what made them truly expensive: technology. These engines featured common rail injection, exhaust gas recirculation, and electronic engine management that optimized performance down to the last drop of fuel. The TCD V8 didn't just cost a lot, it gave a lot. It was Deutz proving they weren't just for the air-cooled crowd anymore. They could build a flagship and price it like one. Mercedes-Benz OM 473LA. When Mercedes-Benz brought the OM 473LA into the world of high-horsepower farming, they weren't messing around. This 15.6-liter inline-six turbocharged diesel wasn't built for entry-level work. It was engineered for precision agriculture at scale. With up to 625 horsepower and a mountain of torque, over 2,500 Newton-meters, this engine powered the flagship Class Zarian 12, turning heads with its brute force and surprising efficiency. But raw power wasn't the only reason it became one of the most expensive tractor engines ever built. The OM 473 packed advanced emissions tech, including SCR, selective catalytic reduction, and turbo compound charging, which combined a fixed and a wastegate turbo for seamless low-end grunt and top-end power. It also featured a powerful engine brake system and low RPM, high-torque tuning. Farmers who used the OM473 knew this wasn't just a tractor engine. This was Mercedes-Benz engineering on full display, and with a price tag to match. These engines weren't just powerful, they were premium, built for the biggest jobs with price tags that turned heads. Most of us may never own one, but we can sure admire what they've done for farming. Which one would you trust to run your farm if money was no object? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this one, hit subscribe, because more legendary machines are coming your way every week. Until then, keep those tractors running.